So yesterday, during one of my calls with my Teaching by Design members, one of my members that has been a member for a little while now, she let me know that she is in the city. So I get to actually go meet her face to face. So I'm super excited, just showered, and I'm so excited to go see her. This is actually my second time this has ever happened. My first time was when I met one of my other clients, Charlotte, and we did an entire YouTube video together because her transformation that she had with her daughter was just breathtaking. But this is the second time this has ever happened. So I'm super excited. So I actually have to go pick her up because she's visiting. She does not have a vehicle right now. So super duper excited. Cannot wait to go see her. I feel like I need some lip gloss. Alright, so I really have to catch y'all up as what has been going on. So I do want to apologize. I feel like I kind of stopped vlogging, and I realized it last week, and I was like, if anything, this needs to be the week that I vlog the most, because I have been running around like a chicken with her head cut off all week long. Actually, for 2 or 3 weeks. Y'all, I'm looking for my phone. I'm so slow. I'm like, where's my phone? Aja, you're on it. So I have been running around like a chicken with her head cut off. I have had so much built up anxious energy, and we had the launch to Teaching by Design, open the doors into the program. I have welcomed so many amazing, absolutely amazing new members into the program. Let me know down below in the comments, are you a new member of Teaching by Design? I'm super excited to work with them, and I needed to take y'all behind the scenes. So I promise you, next time, the next launch, I will take you guys all behind the scenes. I was here on YouTube every day for 5 days, and then did the launch, so it was pretty busy. All right, so y'all gonna laugh, but since I have to go pick her up, I need to clean out my car. You might be wondering, why in the world do you have a blanket? Well, I always believe you need a blanket in your car. You guys might remember there was a huge snowstorm back in 2000. When was that? 2013, 14. We called it Snowmageddon. It was all on the news everywhere, and people were stuck in their cars for a few days. And ever since then, I said I would always travel with my blanket. Now, I was fortunate to live 5 minutes down the street, and my 5-minute trip took 30 minutes, but I know plenty of people that were stuck in their car, so I always travel with a blanket. And some people say you always want to travel with water in your car, so I need to do that as well. Oh my goodness, y'all, look at my trunk. What in the world? So I went Christmas shopping a little early because things are on sale. So maybe if I just put this blanket over the toys. My mom has been in and out the hospital for a few weeks. She had colon. She has diverticulitis, and her colon, a polyp erupted. So we were in the hospital for that. Then she had colon surgery. Then she had back surgery. I had a biopsy because I have a goiter in my neck. And so we have been in and out of doctors and hospitals nonstop. And so it has been a very busy month, and so I'm excited to start a new month with no doctor's appointment. Why do I have so many masks? Oh, this is crazy. Do y'all have masks like that in your car? Like, is your car full of masks? I feel like everywhere I go, I'm getting a new mask. So when you clean out your car, it's like, oh, here's like 20 masks in your car. The back seat, now the back seat's a lost cause. Front seat is done, but that back seat, baby. My daughter has every single toy in the history of mankind. Vacuum the car out or anything, but it's pretty decent. Oh my goodness, my it worked. My garage door opener, the battery is now dead. So I discovered that this morning when my daughter missed the bus, but we ended up going to another bus stop. All right, so I also did the craziest thing. I told her 12, was like, oh, I'm on my way. I don't know where I'm going. So I'm just going to go in the general direction of where she is, talk to you guys a little bit, and then if she doesn't text me by the time I get there, then I'll call her. All right, so I am coming off of opening the doors to my program. Like I said, very successful launch. Had me realizing that what I have is amazing. And so now my biggest problem walking away from that launch is marketing. A lot of the new members are like, this is amazing. And I'm like, okay, how do I get more of you? How do I get more people who are tired, overwhelmed, stressed out, but still want to value and provide high quality instruction without compromising their healthy work-life balance, without, putting themselves last, but still providing that high quality instruction, no matter if they're homeschooling or in the classroom. Like, how do I find more people like that? And so like last night we just got off a call. Amazing. It was one of our just networking calls, y'all. The call was supposed to be 30 minutes. It was an hour and a half. I was like, I have to learn how to cut people off, because like I can only imagine with hundreds of people on here, you can't just have the calls keep going. But it's very interactive. And I love that about it. I love the authenticity of the community. I love that people, could come. It's a safe place. And I do not want to compromise that. So I want to keep that part going. But yeah, so there's that. And I want to launch again fairly soon. And I want to take you guys behind the scenes. So I said that, ooh, this lighting is everything. The next time I do it, I will open the doors and actually record all of the behind the scenes, because like I said, I was taking care of my mom and doing all of that. God is definitely good, and I just cannot wait to see my client. So I'm excited. It's really nice to see people, face to face. It brings another experience, lets them know I'm not just on the computer. Like, I'm a real person in real life. It was so crazy. So I gotta tell y'all, and she would be like, why are you telling them that? It's crazy because like I was sharing with y'all, the last time I met one of my clients, she was like, I can't believe I'm actually seeing you. And it's weird because it's like, I don't know, it's like weird because they're like, oh my goodness, it's you, like from YouTube. And I'm like, yeah, it's just me. And she did the same thing. And she just kept talking about how nervous she was. Like when we first sat down, and I thought like her nerves would have calmed down. Like I talk to her all the time. She's also a member of the ministry. So I literally talk to her like every day. And even when we were ending, she was like, I'm still nervous. So next time I see you, hopefully I won't be nervous. And I'm just like, oh my God. I guess it's really a thing. But if I like think about it, like a lot of the people that I look up to, even on YouTube, like if I saw them in real life, I probably would be the same way. So I guess I get it. But it was so good seeing her and just having the opportunity to fellowship and talk and catch up. I feel like that's the one thing we don't do in society. Glad I was able to officially meet her in person while she was in town. So that's good. And so now I'm running, trying to go get my baby off the bus. But so yeah, it's so refreshing. Like she was talking about our recent call with the Teaching by Design members and how much she's enjoying the new members that just joined during the launch. And it's so crazy because I'm like, at this last launch, we definitely attracted some very passionate, powerful educators. And I am so thankful, to God for that. Hold on one second, she's calling. Sorry, that was her calling back just to say bye. And she enjoyed it. But I forgot what I was trying to say. I forgot all about what I was saying. Lost my train of thought. But yeah, it was really good seeing her. It was really good just talking, being human. And just, letting down your hair. And the internet is so powerful. Like the fact that you can meet so many genuine, passionate people for education on the internet, and then they become friends, and then you have this growing relationship. And really it goes back to my why, and why I'm trying to build this community, and what I'm trying to build in this community. So I'm so thankful to get a glimpse of my vision of just having educators who care, but also are effective and not overwhelmed. Because so often we don't put ourselves first. Last night in our support call, we were just talking about like pouring into ourselves. One of the new members, she was like, I'm just glad to have my weekends back. I just don't want to have my weekends tied up doing lesson plans anymore. She was like, I'm done with that. I want to be a mom. I want to be, a better version of myself. I'm tired of that. And so many educators are leaving education because they couldn't find that, that life work balance. So that was so enjoyable. Sorry, I'm trying to like zoom through traffic. Y'all look, look. So literally, that is my husband that just zoomed by. I mean, zoomed by. Let's see if we can catch up to him. I don't know if y'all could see him, but he just like creeped up behind my car like a super weirdo. I don't know if y'all just saw him. He just cut in front of that truck like a super weirdo, just staring at me. And I looked to the left, and there he is. I can't catch up with him. He speeds too much. I give up. I give up. I'm not gonna lose my life trying to catch up to his crazy butt. But anyways, so I think I forgot my oh my goodness. I forgot my train of thought again. But anyways, I'm going to catch up with y'all, let y'all, more in on the behind the scenes and, what it is that I do. So I vow right here, right now to do more vlogs, to record more so you guys can get to know me even more, see what it is that I do as an educational consultant. So I would love, to let you in more, and let me know what is it that y'all want to see, because I don't know exactly what is it that you want to see. Maybe it's just tips. Maybe like, I don't care about your personal life. Just give me what to teach my children. And so just let me know. Comment down below. And if you haven't already, check out this vlog. This vlog is absolutely amazing. You'll understand exactly all the woos and woes, especially dealing with all this anxiety that I've been dealing with. So I don't know if anybody else has been dealing with anxiety, but watch that video and I'll see you guys in that video. Bye.